So this is an interesting patient. So he came to us around 4 years back, and we had done here 3 IUI, and he had done 6 IUI before this, and he was married for 9 years. So the couple actually, what is the thing is the husband he is in abroad and the wife is here. So he used to visit here for 2 months in a year. So when he comes here, so here like they were in contact and they did IUI, and even with frozen sample we did the IUI, but the results were not good, so they didn't get a positive. Finally, the couple thought, okay, we will go ahead with the IVF for the ICSI cycle. The husband's sperm parameters, it is kind of normal, like with minimal morphological defects, but it is normal, and the wife also, the parameters were normal. So they wanted to have the child soon. That's why they came into this IVF procedure. And we had done the IVF, and you can see it is a day 5 blast which I had formed for them. And these are the 2 blasts which we had transferred in this day for them to get a conception. So we hope for them to get the best result in this.